The machine uses 220 volts AC power. L is the fire wire. N is the zero wire. P is the ground wire. Next we start wiring. Wiring like this. This is the gas connection. First we need to connect the protective gas to this place. This is water inlet. This is liquid level gauge. When using it for the first time, we need to add about 16 liters of water. Add the water level to the corresponding green area. That's it. Insert the aviation plug here. That's it. After plugging it in, connect the power. If it is the first time to add water or change water, after powering on the device, waiting for the device to run for a few minutes, then screw on the cap. This is to empty the air inside the tank. This is the gun head. This is the fixed focus bracket. If during use need a fixed focus bracket or vacuum, attach the focus bracket to the gun head. These are the 4 hand screws. Corresponding to the 4 holes on the gun head, just screw it on these 4 holes. Then the fixed focus bracket is installed. These 2 parts of the fixed focus bracket are used to adjust the vacuum cleaner and the focal length. Connect the gas. After the fixed focus bracket is installed, start powering on the machine. After powering up, if the key has not been turned on, there is a red light. When the low temperature circulating water temperature at about 25 degrees, turn on the laser source. Turn the key, then turn on the laser. After ventilation, wait for a few seconds. Then the red light goes out. Then the yellow light comes on. First, open the dust cover. There will be red light. Click on the laser ready, and we'll see the red light begin to oscillate. Make sure the red light is OK. Turn on the laser enable. Then pull the trigger. Then the machine can emit light. After the light emission is completed, first turn off the laser enable, then turn off the laser preparation to prevent light emission accidentally. The following is an introduction to the device's control interface. There are 4 control interfaces: main interface, process interface, setting interface, and monitoring interface. The current interface is the main interface. Take a look at the parameters of the main interface. The first is the laser power. The current setting is 100%. This means full power operation. The second is the repetition frequency. The best parameter is 2.5. No need to change. The third is the pulse width. The factory default is 100%. No need to change it either. And this one is the scanning pattern. There are currently 8 graphics to choose from. Click on the corresponding box. Different graphics can be selected. This is the scanning speed. Scanning speed is used to set the speed of linear scanning. It can be adjusted according to the size of the graphics. This is the scanning pitch. It is mainly used to adjust the scanning speed of 2-dimension graphics. This is the scanning length and scanning width. The scan length ranges from 0 to 100 mm. Because the field length currently used is f160, so the maximum length is 100. If it is a two-dimensional graphic, it is recommended that the scan length be less than or equal to 70. This is the scanning width. It is mainly used to set the scanning width of a two-dimension graphic. The recommended range is also 0 to 70. This to show the current gun head tilt angle. If there is no tilt sensor installed on the gun head, the current number is lim. If there is a number, it will show the gun head a tilt angle. This is the light display. When the device does not emit light, it displays gray. When the device emits light, it displays red. Click on the process screen. This is our process interface. 4 groups of parameters can be set and saved. If you need to modify the current process parameters, click the corresponding parameter to modify. Then click Save. Then the current process parameters can be saved. If you want to use the current process parameters, click Import. The process parameters just now can be imported into the home page. Then it can be used. This is the setting interface. Input the password 1234 to enter. Generally, no settings are required here. It is already set at the factory. Then this is the monitoring interface. This column represents the alarm display. If it is gray, it means the alarm is not activated. If it is green, it means it is normal. If it is red, it means alarm. This column represents the current signal display. This is communication status display. Indicates that there is no problem with the current communication status. This is the trigger signal display. When the laser comes out, this indicator turns from red to green. After the cleaning is done, first turn off the laser enable and laser preparation. Then turn off the key. Then turn off the main power. Finally, put on the dust cover.